Today we are going to discuss about a unique tool which is available in Microsoft Word under the tab Review. Actually, when we analyze a writing, and sometimes we also need to do proofreading of some writings, and in case of for the students, in case of for teachers, sometimes we use conventional method which is time consuming to check the readings and writings. So here I am going to show you how to use this tab, Review tab, for proofreading using track changes method. Actually, this is a normal writing which is written by my student, and my student actually sent me this one to check where is incorrect, and he is expecting some comments from me. So how I will give him some suggestion to correct it. Suppose before correction started, I have to activate track changes. Track changes is a process where after the activation of this track changes tab, this Microsoft Word will start to record my activity, and after that my student will able to see what I suggested to him for correction, and after that my student will able to accept the corrections or reject it. Okay, what will happen? Let's see. I am going to activate it, track changes. Just click on it, this tab, track changes. After that, you have to do another correction, another work like a balance, so that you have to activate show only comments and formatting in balance. You should activate this one. Okay, this is the process where I start my correction. Okay, first, suppose this sentence, I think this sentence is need more clarification. So I'm going to add a comment here in balance. So please provide more clarification. Okay. After that, I think this pathway word is not correct here, so I want to delete. So if I delete here, it actually will not delete it. It will marked as a red color with a line in middle of the letter, so that student will able to know which part I actually deleted. So after I clicking backspace, it marked as deleted, but not completely deleted. So it already recorded here, and if I add some suggestion, suppose here if I add some lines, NMD is a great tool. NMD is a great tool for host plant to avoid virus. Actually, this is a great tool for host plant to avoid viruses. So my suggestion will underline here, and student will able to know that I have written this word as a suggestion. So I think this line is also not correct here. So I also want to remove, and I clicked backspace here. So you can also add here some italic form, and I think this will also corrected as italic. Okay, you can also highlight some important area, and this will be highlighted, and this will also record it. So my task is finished. I think this proofreading is finished, and I am now sending this on my student. So after my student, I will save it, this one, and I will send to my student. When my student will open this one, and he need to correct the document based on my editing, because I'm a supervisor, so he will correct this one. So I am now working as a student here. So what will I do? At first, I will stop track change, and here clicking track change. Then after stopping track change, I will view that what actually my teacher suggested me. And at first, I click here. I think and I need to more clarification. Okay, men, and women. I think this is clarified very well. Okay, so I think now I have to remove this comment from teacher. So I want to delete this one. Okay, that's accepted. Pathway, this I think I want to remove this sentence pathway because teacher removed this one, and so I want to accept his suggestion, and this was already done. And the highlighted mark, teacher has highlighted this one, don't know why, so I want to reject this one. Okay, after that I think that teacher has suggested me that he written a sentence, so I think this is very good for this manuscript, so I think I want to accept this one. Okay, it already added here, and already my teacher has removed this part, so I think I should remove this one, so I also accept here and already removed. After that he also made a sentence italic, and I think italic is good, so I accept, and this one also I can accept here. Okay, Exxon junction complex, and I accept it. So all the comment already finished, and my manuscript is completely corrected. Now I have done well, and I think my manuscript is ready for submission or for re-review by the reviewer. So I can again send to another reviewer for their correction. I think this is the good process to check or to read a review article or assignment, which actually help us to correct our writing in a short time, and we can also avoid conventional methods. I think this will helpful for us. Thank you very much.